Hello everyone, welcome to the Tibetan class with Jigmay. In today's lesson, I'm going to introduce you the Tibetan alphabets and the vowels. So first, we're going to learn, actually there are total 30 alphabets and 4 vowels in Tibetan. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you first 4 letters of Tibetan. The 4 letters here, the first one is Ka, Ka. So here, let me write and then I will introduce each sound. The first sound is Ka. So to write Ka, you have to make a straight line. I'm going to write big, straight line, and then get it from the curve like this, and then straight one, a little bit longer than this, and the third one get a little curve and then get down straight, and this one is longest, and then have a dot. This is Ka, the first Tibetan letter. And the second one, the straight line is same, it's same, you have to, the same, measurement is same, and get not just straight from this, get like this, it has a little curve, and then bring it down like this, and then this. When it comes about the food, the Ka's food is shorter than the Ka. This is Ka. You have dot, and then after Ga. Straight line, the same line. And the Ga and Ka has the same long foot. This, and the third one is fourth. The fourth one is Nga. Nga has Ga, Ka, Ga has the same height, but for Nga it has little shorter. And then have a dot, and then bring one straight line like this, okay? So these are the first 4 letters in Tibetan. Ka, Ka, Ga, Nga. Does it sound terrible? No, it's interesting. So for almost every foreigners, this 2 sound is a little confusing. Actually, both of the three things are confusing, but in here, these 2, the Ka and Ka, is very much confusing. As I learn English, I realized that in American English or British English, they are not using the Ka sound. It's not commonly used. So I thought if I have to teach Tibetan to them, so it's going to be a little bit challenging, but it's all right. We will learn. Ka, Ka, all these sounds are coming from your throat, your throat. Ka, K, Ka, K, K, Ka, K. And the Ga is easy. You have the gang or the gap, Ga, Ga. And Nga, so it's also going to be a little bit challenging. Nga is, if you don't know how to make the Nga sound, then I have one. No, sorry. Look at this. And it's, when we say sing a song, sing a song. So when you read it so fast, sing a song, sing a song, sing a song, sing a, sing a song. Sing, say, you remove, sing a song, and read, sing a song. And it remains, sing a song. Yeah? I've seen there are so many Westerners who speak Tibetan fluently and very good, but they cannot make this sound. I thought their teacher didn't introduce them correctly, or I don't know. Many of them are saying it as a nya, but it's not nya. While making this sound, none of your upper jaw and lower jaw are touching. It is just a free air. You don't have to use your tongue, upper jaw, lower, just open it. Like ha, okay? While making the nya, your burden of your tongue touches to your upper jaw, but it don't. Yes, perfect. So this is for today's lesson. In next lesson, I will introduce you the second 4 letters of Tibetan. Thank you.